Look, everyone! We have these animals and their houses! Wait a second! And the houses have disappeared too! Where did the animals go? Oh no! Please help me find them! Everyone, our animals have hidden in the garden. Now let's go find them. Do you see them anywhere? What do we have here? A yellow ladybug in this bush. But this isn't the piece we need. Let's put it back. Aha! Look, everyone! Another ladybug. Let's put it down here. Now, let's check inside the houses to see if there's anything inside. Oh, Daddy Pig is watching TV. Look! Aha! It's our puzzle piece. A white rabbit. Now let's put it on the board. Rabbits love eating root vegetables, especially carrots. Rabbits are gentle. They dig burrows and live together. They have bright eyes and very keen ears that hear sounds from a great distance. Let's keep looking for our animals. Alright, there's nothing left here. Let's move to the next house. Aha! Look there! Someone is hiding by the swing. It's a chicken! Chickens wake up very early. They look like birds but are larger and cannot fly as far as birds do. Chickens lay eggs, hatch them, and care for their chicks until they are grown. Alright, chicken, go back to your spot with your babies. Oh, look everyone! Aha! It's a horse! Wonderful! Let's put him back. Horses are very strong, fast, and gentle. Horses help carry people and goods through difficult paths. Now let's see if there's anything else here. Ta-da! We have a grasshopper! Fantastic! Now let's check inside house number 2. Do you see anything inside? It's our cat! Hooray! Cats are our friends. Cats are adorable and love to be petted by everyone. Now let's put the cat on the board. Excellent. Now let's see if there's anything left in our house. Nothing left. Aha! It's George and his friend. They are playing on the slide. Wait, look! It's our puzzle piece! A dog! Amazing! Let's put it on the board. Dogs are loyal friends to humans. Dogs are very intelligent. They can play, lead the way, search, and will be trained to rescue people and other animals. Now let's see if there's anything else here. Oh, look everyone! In the grass! It's a frog! Hooray! Put it on the board. Frogs lay eggs and can live both on land and in water. A frog's call is very loud and resonant. They often call to each other in the evening. Now let's see. Anyone else? Ta-da! Caught you! A pink pig is playing on the merry-go-round. Now put it on the board. Pigs give birth to piglets and live socially with other animals on the farm. A pig's favorite food is green vegetables. Look, we have a dragonfly here. It's not the animal we're looking for. Wait, who is that at the base of the bush? Aha! Gotcha! It's a dairy cow. Let's put it on the board. Dairy cows provide us with delicious fresh milk to drink every day. Now let's see what's at the castle. Aha! Here it is! A goat! Brilliant! Let's put it on the board. Goats are gentle and very strong. They are hoofed animals. Goats can travel very far and climb cliffs to eat grass without being afraid of falling. Wow! Wow! What do we have here, everyone? Balls! Alright, let's play with the balls. Green, put it in here. Yellow, here it is. Pink, put it in this spot. Incredible! Now put the blue ball into the blue cup. Gray goes in here. Look everyone, Those are the dark gray and pink houses. Let's put them in their spots. Look, it's the houses. Now let's have the vehicles drive out. House number 1. Oh, it's the bakery truck. House number 2. What vehicle is this, everyone? Well done! It's the school bus. The school bus helps pick up and drop off students at school and home safely. House number 3 is... It's the hospital and the ambulance. Aha! Look there! Those are our houses. Red and orange. Now put them on the board. Oh, everyone! We have a new mission! Blue. Orange. Green. Pink. Yellow. Look, look! Those are the houses. Let's put them on the board. It's the house for the dog and the frog. Wow, wow! We have treasure boxes. I love treasure hunting games. Now let's see what's inside. Look, everyone! It's an ambulance puzzle piece. Next is the brown house. Now let's check this last treasure box. Oh, it's our house. What color, everyone? Exactly! Gray! Superb! Puzzle pieces, follow me. Let's put them on the board. Wonderful! We have a candy tank. Now let's see what's hiding under here. Look, it's a strawberry. Look, these are bananas. Now let's see if there's anything else inside. Aha! It's a peach. Ta-da! It's our puzzle piece, the White House. Let's put it in the White Rabbit spot. Marvelous! We have found the puzzle pieces again. Thank you for playing with me. Goodbye, and see you again.